It's the Gooble! I am back with another mystery box for us today from Etsy. I believe the company is Revlare. I will put, of course, the pictures, links, price, everything at the end of the video. So this is the just mystery box that I got from their page on Etsy. It was $30, but it was about $42 after shipping, so quite a lot for shipping. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Oh, cute. Okay. So you can see right on top we've got some little bits and bobs. I kind of wish these were ornaments, but they're cute. Just have that snowflake and a little truck with a tree. I love this shiny peach colored paper. It's so beautiful. And then we have a hello note. What does it say? Hello, I hope you enjoy your mystery goodies. Happy holidays, Revlare. Okay. Let's go ahead and see what's under the paper. Oh, okay. Looks like we have a bunch of goodies in here. Is it $42 worth? Let's check it out. First item that I see in here is just a shower poof. It is a cute little purple color, so that's nice. But this is, you know, you can get this at the dollar store. So there's that. And the next thing I see in here is a collagen night moisturizer with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which is always nice, but this packaging really reminds me of an off-brand. Yeah, it's by Be Pure. It just sounds like a Walgreens brand or something like that, which is fine, but I was under the impression this was going to be a little more luxury. So let's see what else we get. Okay, so this is our next item. It is trail mix. I'm not sure how I feel about getting food. I'm not even sure if you're supposed to do that. I mean, I ordered freeze-dried candy from Etsy, so I know that that's a thing. I just didn't, you know, I didn't realize a self-care mystery box would include food, so that's, I mean, I guess that's okay. It is sealed and everything, and this does look like something I can eat. It's got all sorts of nuts, yogurt flavored pretzel balls, apple chips, and sweetened cranberries. So, I mean, it looks good. I just have never received food in like a mystery self-care pack, so okay. And the next item we have is very adorably twined. I kind of want to see what the picture is. Oh. Okay. So we just have a pair of fuzzy socks with just a little winky face, which is cute. I do love fuzzy socks. If you have watched my videos, you know that I really love fuzzy socks. I think this is my third or fourth pair of the year, so very excited about that. They're quite soft, and I like how long they are. I like fuzzy socks that can go quite a ways up the leg. Okay, so the next item we get in this box looks like bath salt crystals. Baylis and Harding the Fuzzy Duck limited edition mulberry and mistletoe fragranced bath salt crystals. Wonder if I'll be able to smell them. Ooh. That smells lovely. It smells like one of those cute little tiny mom and pop decor stores that always smell so good. I don't know if I'm explaining that well enough, but wow, that smells really, really good. I can't wait to use that. Okay, so just, yeah, it says it's limited edition, but it definitely smells amazing and I cannot wait to use it. It's probably one bath worth, maybe two. Okay, the next item we have is a little bit disappointing, but just to me personally, because I do not follow astrology. But this is a cute journal. They've all got their little gold star. Let's see if I can show you. Yeah, they've all got their little gold star constellations over the top of the animals, which is cute. And it's just, you know, a journal. So it's nice. I mean, it's just, unfortunately, this really isn't my thing. And I did notice after I ordered that there was a section where I could have put things I liked or disliked. And I'm not sure if I filled that out. If I did fill it out, I know I filled it out on one box. If I filled it out, I definitely put no false lashes, please. But that was all I put. So I could have definitely probably, I mean, I don't know that I would have thought to have said no astrology. So just not for me, but still very cute. Okay, and then the last bits, yes, the last bits in this package are all similar items. So this is interesting. This is something I've actually never seen. This is a steam eye mask. And it says, okay, so it just says that you're supposed to wear it over your eyes like a normal mask. It's it goes over like a pair of glasses, really. I assumed from the word steam that you might steam it in the microwave a little bit first, but it doesn't look like it. The next item we have is just another vitamin C and hyaluronic acid hydrating infused sheet mask. Doesn't have a scent on it, but it says it is overnight treatment, but you're still only supposed to wear it for 15 minutes. Okay. Ooh, this is probably the cutest face mask packaging I have ever seen. This is Marina Dem. Oh, Marina and Dem, maybe? Rise and Grind face sheet mask, retinol and vitamin C, and the coffee and donuts is so cute. Kind of makes me hope that it's coffee scented or something, but I'm sure it won't be. Now, I don't need to go look up these products online to know that I did not get my value back. Definitely not the $42. I realize that you can't really count the shipping and the value of the items, but I mean, I think this journal is probably the most expensive thing in the box, except maybe this little night cream. But I don't think either of these are worth more than, I don't know, $8. And then I've got a couple dollar items, some trail mix, and some socks. I don't know. I definitely don't feel like I got what the pictures promised. But I also probably could have personalized my box a little bit more. I also could have tried the bigger size, but there were 3 sizes and it was like $30, and the next one up was like $65, so it was quite a jump to the next size. So I just decided to get the small box, and I either said please no lashes, or I said nothing at all because I wanted to be completely surprised. Which, you know, I should be able to do that. I should be able to order something and be completely surprised by everything in the box and be also delighted. And I am not quite delighted. I'm happy. But I mean, it just doesn't quite feel like $30 or $40 worth of stuff. It feels like, you know, a nice 20. But, you know, it's a nice box. It is well curated. And I mean, the things that are in here are very useful. But I mean, I don't know. So I guess my rating would probably be, I guess I'll give them a 3 out of 5, just because I know a lot of the cost went to shipping, and a lot of the cost goes into someone personally curating a box that they think that you will think is fun. And I mean, I will use it all. So let's just give them a 3 out of 5. And I will leave the links for everything if you want to try a Revlare box for yourself off of Etsy. I will leave all those links at the end of the video. And I can't really think of anything else to say except that I am the Google. This is Google Reviews, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!